This is your life. And it's been waiting for you to discover it. Up until now you may have been thinking that life is hard and a struggle, and so by the law of attraction you will have experienced life as hard and a struggle. Begin right now to shout to the universe, life is so easy. Life is so good. All good things come to me. There is a truth deep down inside of you that has been waiting for you to discover it, and that truth is this: you deserve all good things life has to offer. All good things are your birthright. You are the creator of you, and the law of attraction is your magnificent tool to create whatever you want in your life. Welcome to the magic of life, and the magnificence of you. Hi, hello viewers, we are Peace Buddy. We aim to spread law of attraction throughout the world. And let's do some magic to your life. If you think about Aladdin and his lamp, Aladdin picks up the lamp, dusts it off, and out pops the genie. The genie always says one thing: your wish is my command. The story now goes that there are 3 wishes, but if you trace the story back to its origins there's absolutely no limit whatsoever to the wishes. Think about that one. Now, let's take this metaphor and apply it to your life. Remember, Aladdin is the one who always asks for what he wants. Then you've got the universe at large, which is the genie. Traditions have called it so many things: your holy guardian angel, your higher self. We can put any label on it, and you choose the one that works best for you, but every tradition has told us there's something bigger than us. And the genie always says one thing: your wish is my command. This wonderful story demonstrates how your whole life and everything in it has been created by you. The genie has simply answered your every command. The genie is the law of attraction, and it is always present and always listening to everything you think, speak, and act. The genie assumes that everything you think about, you want. That everything you speak about, you want. That everything you act upon is what you want. You are the master of the universe, and the genie is there to serve you. The genie never questions your commands. You think it, and the genie immediately begins to leverage the universe, through people, circumstances, and events, to fulfill your wish. The creative process used in the law of attraction, which was taken from the New Testament and the Holy Book, is an easy guideline for you to create what you want in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Ask. The first step is to ask. Make a command to the universe. Let the universe know what you want. The universe responds to your thoughts. What do you really want? Sit down and write it out on a piece of paper. Write it in the present tense. You might begin by writing, "I am so happy and grateful now that," and then explain how you want your life to be, in every area. You get to choose what you want, but you must get clear about what you want. This is your work. If you're not clear, then the law of attraction cannot bring you what you want. You will be sending out a mixed frequency and you can only attract mixed results. There are no limits. What do you want? Asking is the first step in the creative process, so make it a habit to ask. If you have to make a choice and you don't know which way to go, ask. You should never be stumped on anything in your life. Just ask. This is really fun. It's like having the universe as your catalog. You flip through it and say, "I'd like to have this experience and I'd like to have that product and I'd like to have a person like that." It is you placing your order with the universe. It's really that easy. You do not have to ask over and over again. Just ask once. It is exactly like placing an order from a catalog. You only ever order something once. You don't place an order and then doubt the order has been received and so place the order again, and then again, and then again. You order once. It is the same with the creative process. Step 1 is simply your step to get clear about what you want. As you get clear in your mind, you have asked. Step 2. Believe. Step 2 is believe. Believe that it's already yours. Have what I love to call unwavering faith. Believing in the unseen. You must believe that you have received. You must know that what you want is yours the moment you ask. See the things that you want as already yours. Know that they will come to you at need. Then let them come. Don't fret and worry about them. Don't think about your lack of them. Think of them as yours, as belonging to you, as already in your possession. In the moment you ask, and believe and know you already have it in the unseen, the entire universe shifts to bring it into the seen. You must act, speak, and think, as though you are receiving it now. Why? The universe is a mirror, and the law of attraction is mirroring back to you your dominant thoughts. You must believe you have it already. You must believe you have received it. You have to emit the feeling frequency of having received it, to bring those pictures back as your life. When you do that, the law of attraction will powerfully move all circumstances, people, and events, for you to receive. When you book a vacation, order a brand new car, or buy a house, you know those things are yours. You wouldn't go and book another vacation for the same time, or purchase another car or house. If you won a lottery or received a large inheritance, even before you physically had the money, you know it is yours. That is the feeling of believing it is yours. That is the feeling of believing you have it already. That is the feeling of believing you have received. Claim the things you want by feeling and believing they are yours. When you do that, the law of attraction will powerfully move all circumstances, people, and events for you to receive. How do you get yourself to a point of believing? Start make-believing. Be like a child, and make-believe. Act as if you have it already. As you make-believe, you will begin to believe you have received. The genie is responding to your predominant thoughts all the time, not just in the moment you ask. That's why after you've asked, you must continue to believe and know. Have faith. Your belief that you have it, that undying faith, is your greatest power. When you believe you are receiving, get ready, and watch the magic begin. You can have what you want, if you know how to form the mold for it in your own thoughts. There is no dream that may not come true, if you but learn to use the creative force working through you. The methods that work for one will work for all. The key to power lies in using what you have, freely, fully, and thus opening wide your channels for more creative force to flow through you. The universe will start to rearrange itself to make it happen for you. How it will happen, how the universe will bring it to you, is not your concern or job. Allow the universe to do it for you. Most of the time, when we don't see the things that we've requested, we get frustrated. We get disappointed. And we begin to become doubtful. The doubt brings about a feeling of disappointment. Take that doubt and shift it. Recognizes that feeling and replace it with a feeling of unwavering faith. I know that it's on its way. Step 3. Receive. Step 3, and the final step in the process, is to receive. Begin to feel wonderful about it. Feel the way you will feel once it arrives. Feel it now, and in this process it's important to feel good, to be happy, because when you're feeling good you're putting yourself in the frequency of what you want. Ask once, believe you have received, and all you have to do to receive is feel good. When you are feeling good, you are on the frequency of receiving. You are on the frequency of all good things coming to you, and you will receive what you have asked for. You wouldn't ask for anything unless it was going to make you feel good in the receiving of it, would you? So get yourself on the feel-good frequency, and you will receive. A fast way to get yourself on that frequency is to say, I am receiving now. I am receiving all the good in my life, now. I am receiving. Fill in your desire, now. And feel it. Feel it as though you have received. Our viewers are one of the greatest manifestors I have seen, and they feels everything. They feels what it would feel like to have what they is asking for. They feels everything into existence. They doesn't get caught up in how, when, or where, they just feels it and it then manifests. So feel good now. The law of attraction, the study and practice of the law of attraction, is just figuring out what will help you generate the feelings of having it now. Go test drive that car. Go shop for that home. Get in the house. Do whatever you have to do to generate the feelings of having it now, and remember them. Whatever you can do to achieve that will help you to literally attract it. In the next episode, You are going to learn deeply about how to use thoughts and emotion to achieve your goal. Stay tuned, buddies. Subscribe our Peace Buddy channel. Comment about dreams in your life, share to friends who want success in their life. And don't forget to click bell icon. Thank you, buddies. Have a great day.